In today's fast-paced world, there's a specific group of students who face unique challenges with their academic responsibilities. From middle school to college, they struggle to keep up with their homework, assignments, and projects, often falling behind and experiencing a decline in their mental well-being. These students require an extra boost of motivation and support, including a well-balanced schedule. That's where we come in. We believe in tackling the root of the problem, little motivation and poor planning skills, to create a solution that empowers students and fosters a supportive community.
You can input your homework tasks, how long you think they'll take, and their difficulty level, and then Acadium generates a study schedule based on the Pomodoro technique. This technique helps you break down your study sessions into manageable chunks so you can stay on task, focused, and productive. Plus, Acadium includes a Pomodoro timer and newly generated positive messages to keep you motivated and on track. We're really proud of our execution so far as well. We've already got a functional prototype that's been tested and refined to ensure that it's user-friendly as possible, and we've even got a passive income resource with our Etsy account and Instagram partners. These partnerships help us bring in additional income, which we can use to then update and improve Acadium.
Acadium isn't just about improving your academic performance though. It's about nurturing your mental well-being. One way we do this is through attached links that connect to StudyGram accounts, where you can seek motivation, inspiration, study tips, or just find friends who share your academic journey. Within 2 weeks of creating an Instagram account, we have acquired over 120 followers, consisting of students excited to try out Acadium thanks to the support and promotion we've received from these StudyGram accounts. Looking towards the future, we want to add new features that better accommodate our users as well as bring value to Acadium. For instance, we're exploring the possibility of introducing ads to the free version of Acadium and offering premium accounts with additional benefits like save schedules. But most importantly, we want to hear from you. So join us on our journey by following our Instagram page @_Acadium, where we'll be unlocking our generation's productivity potential. Let's help build a stronger, healthier community of motivated learners within our generation. See you on the other side.